Welcome to today's video, where we will explore some of the most bizarre planets that you won't believe actually exist. Can you imagine a planet so hot that steel melts? Or planets filled with acid rain and skies that could catch fire? These are the kinds of worlds we can hardly imagine, yet they exist in our universe. Get ready for strange stories, unexplainable phenomena, and worlds that will leave you in awe. 1. Venus, the hellish planet closest to us. Venus, or the morning star, is one of the closest and most noticeable planets in our solar system. However, behind its bright appearance lies a world that is harsh and almost impossible to imagine. Contrary to the dreamy image the ancient Romans assigned to it as the goddess of love, Venus is, in fact, a perilous planet, a true hell of the solar system. Venus has an extremely dense atmosphere, primarily made up of carbon dioxide, with a large amount of sulfur dioxide, a toxic compound. The thickness of its atmosphere keeps the temperature on its surface at a constant, extremely high level, up to 465 degrees Celsius, 869 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. This makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury, despite Mercury being closer to the Sun. The atmosphere is filled with acid rain made of sulfuric acid, and powerful winds reach speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour, 224 miles per hour. This creates an environment where no life as we know it could survive. However, interestingly, while Venus cannot support life as we imagine it, scientists have found signs of geological processes similar to those on Earth. Research on Venus helps us better understand climate change and the formation of planets, especially those with extreme environmental conditions. Venus has also been extensively studied by scientists like Carl Sagan, who once predicted that Venus might have once had oceans and a thick atmosphere, but due to intense greenhouse effects, the water evaporated completely and all life was extinguished. Despite the lack of life on Venus as we know it, it serves as a valuable lesson on climate change, something we are facing right here on Earth. Furthermore, modern researchers are focusing on studying Venus's characteristics to learn more about the development and destruction of planets. One prominent project is NASA's Da Vinci Plus mission, which aims to explore Venus's atmosphere in more detail and investigate whether the planet might have once supported life. 2. KLT 9b, the hottest planet in the universe. KLT 9b is one of the farthest planets we've discovered, and it stands as one of the most horrifying examples of hellish worlds beyond Earth. KLT 9b is located around 600 light-years away from us and belongs to a category of planets known as hot Jupiters, but it doesn't resemble any of the giant gas planets in our solar system. This planet is so hot that no material can exist in either solid or liquid form. The surface temperature of KLT 9b can reach 4,300 degrees Celsius, 7,772 degrees Fahrenheit, almost as hot as the surface of a small star. This planet can be considered so extreme that life as we know it cannot exist. Yet, research on KLT 9b has provided important insights into the processes of planet formation and evolution, particularly for giant planets in the universe. The discovery of this planet also raises significant questions about the formation of planets and the effects that parent stars have on the planets surrounding them. As researcher Mark E. Everett from Harvard University pointed out, KLT 9b isn't just a planet with terrifying temperatures. It's an incredibly strange environment. It's one of the most unique planets we've discovered, with several factors that make it unlike any other planet in our solar system. Studying KLT 9b not only helps us understand distant planets, but also serves as a reminder that the universe is vast and mysterious, filled with things we can hardly imagine. 3. WASP 121b, a planet with acid rain and terrifying temperatures. WASP 121b is another bizarre planet that scientists are studying. It is a giant gas planet, and one of its most notable features is the existence of sulfuric acid rain. With daytime temperatures reaching up to 1,400 degrees Celsius (2,552 degrees Fahrenheit), the climate on WASP 121b is one of the most extreme conditions a planet could have. The sight on this planet truly resembles a hell, a scorching sky, dangerous acid rain, and strong winds sweeping everything away. Interestingly, as we study this planet, scientists have observed some strange phenomena, such as the presence of smoky clouds or vapor rising from the planet's surface. These phenomena are similar to what we see in volcanic eruptions on Earth, but on a much larger scale. Although there is no life like on Earth, WASP 121b provides an invaluable lesson about atmospheric processes and the factors that create a planet's climate. Research on WASP 121b shows similarities between this planet and other giant gas planets in our solar system. But more importantly, it opens up the possibility of understanding the development of distant planets. This research could help us understand the potential for life in extreme environments and offer clues about the factors that affect the formation and existence of planets in the universe. 4. Discovering and understanding hellish planets. Studies of these extreme planets, from Venus, KLT 9b to WASP 121b, not only help us understand strange worlds, but also give us insight into our own planet. The lessons from these planets serve as a warning about climate change, planetary evolution, and the potential for life. When we look at planets like Venus, we see the impact of the greenhouse effect and the dangers it poses to Earth. When we study KLT 9b and WASP 121b, we gain a better understanding of the extreme conditions that planets may endure. Scientists like Neil deGrasse Tyson and Stephen Hawking have emphasized that studying the universe doesn't just help us understand distant worlds, it provides important knowledge about Earth and humanity's future. These discoveries, though surprising and strange, help us understand how vast the universe is and, more importantly, our place in it. These hellish planets like Venus, KLT 9b, and WASP 121b, though distant and extreme, provide us with invaluable lessons about life, transformation, and the future of our planet. They are a stark reminder that the universe is vast and mysterious, but also a mirror reflecting the challenges humanity faces. We are witnessing serious climate changes right here on our own planet. If we don't take strong actions to protect the environment, can we avoid the fate of planets like Venus, where life was wiped out by excessive greenhouse effects? Could Earth one day become a giant hell if we continue to destroy nature and its resources? Though these planets seem far away and disconnected from our lives, studying them helps us not only understand the universe better, but also understand ourselves. It forces us to think about humanity's future, the decisions we make, and the impact those decisions have on Earth. We live on the only planet we know that supports life. And while the universe may be filled with strange worlds, we cannot let the beauty of Earth become a thing of the past. Therefore, protecting this planet is not just the job of scientists or politicians, but of all of us who live here. So, what do you think about Earth's future? Can we learn anything from these hellish planets to protect our own? Or will we have to pay the price for our irresponsibility? Share your thoughts and let's discuss the future of the only planet we call home.